Hello everyone, this is a video tutorial that will guide you using Quizziz.com. Okay, in this video tutorial we are going to learn how you can sign up to Quizziz.com, how you can modify your profile settings, and how you can attempt a quiz on Quizziz.com. So starting with sign up. In order to sign up, you can you can just simply visit the website Quizziz.com using this address quizizz.com. Okay, once you are here at the website, you just need to click on sign up. When you click on the sign up button, it will ask you to sign up. You can select whether sign up with the email or with the Google account. I will suggest all of you to sign up using your Habib Public Schools Gmail account. For this, you need to click on sign up with Google. Once you have clicked here, it will ask you to select your account. Right now I am using my personal account. However, you are recommended to use your Habib Schools account. Just simply click here. Then it will ask you how you are using the quizzes. Okay, you need to select at a school. Second, it will ask your role. You will be selecting your role as a student. Then it will ask you to confirm your date of birth. You can select your date of birth. Update. Then it will ask you to select your grade. Since I am now preparing this tutorial for the senior grade, so I am expecting you from grade 8 to grade 12. You can select your grade and then click on done. Once it is done, your Quizziz account is created. This is your home window. This is your default window that you will get whenever you sign up. Okay, now let me show you the sign in process. I am logging out from my account. The login process is much easier. You can just simply go to quizziz.com, click on login. Login with Gmail, because we have already created our account with the Gmail, so you just need to click on login with Gmail. Select the account using which you have created your Quizziz account, and it will take you to the join screen. So next part is how you're going to edit your profile. In order to edit your profile, you can click on this edit profile button, or you can go here and click on settings. When you click on edit profile button, you can select your profile avatar. You can select your picture that you want. Okay, second, you can select your username. When you are writing your username, I recommend you to follow this pattern: your first name, last name, then your grade, your section, and your GR number. Remember that your username must have all these details. Okay, then click on save. Once this is done, also edit your name as well. Okay, in your name, in the last name, mention your class and your GR number. Save. Alright, remember this step, you have to do it. Also from here you can update the settings of your profile as well. So this is it about the necessary edits that you need to make